This equipment is an automated production line for welding contact parts of molded case circuit breaker specially developed and designed for the low-voltage electrical industry, which contains the patented technology invented by Heron, a silver point loading mechanism, method, and production line. Compared with other products of the same type, this product has the following technical breakthroughs. 1. Completing the automatic welding of at least 5 welding points for more than 6 parts of the moving contact system, while there is only single automation equipment in the market, which generally welds at most 2 welding points. 2. The conveyance, positioning and displacement of contacts, flexible connections, and other parts between processes are automated, and only one production staff is needed to add materials and monitor the equipment on the spot, which reduces the investment in labor costs and the impact of human factors on the quality of welding. 3. Realizing the miniaturization of the welding equipment, which reduce the space occupied and improve the utilization rate of the production site. 4. Monitoring and analyzing the main technical parameters during the welding process and detecting the shape and position tolerance of the parts after welding, which improves the stability of welding quality. 5. It improves the product efficiency. The production efficiency is greater than or equal to 4500 pieces/11.5 hours. The comprehensive efficiency of the equipment OEE is 80%.